good thing you decided not to walk.
Yeah, it's kind of.
There's just no place for the girls.
Yeah, it's hard, babe, you know. They can cook barbecue too.
I came up here before, and
Did we?
that river just didn't have that much water in it.
Today, maybe
But
it's
right
a lot
now it
because.
does because it's rain.
The rain, right?
Last couple 3 months.
Uh-uh.
If you want a picture of the dam, we're gonna go down this other campsite.
Uh-uh.
Picnic site, I'm sorry.
It's nice to sit down in her bed and cook some barbecue.
Do they have a barbecue?
Right here. Yeah, right there.
Again, I can't see it. Where is it?
Right there. Her barbecue.
Okay. So that's the kind of barbecue I'm used to seeing. Yeah. Okay.
Ganda dito, guys. Eh.
Yeah, it would be nice.
May water, guys. Yung bahay na yan sa presidente noon. Pwede mag-barbecue, guys, dito. Right? It's beautiful in here, babe. Oy. Babe, it's nice to relax. Babe. See, you can see the dam.
Right down here if you want.
Oh, yeah. Babe, I didn't really close the vehicle, babe. Maybe I'm gonna close it all the way down.
Lock it?
Yeah. Babe.
I'll stay right here. If you want to go down and take pictures, go down and take your pictures. Right there's a path.
You wanna go over there? No? You just go with me. I don't think, I think it's okay like that, babe. You know, we can see the vehicle anyway. You don't have to lock it. Ah, look at the mommy. Oh, the water, mommy. Huh? Look at the water, mommy. Where daddy gonna go again? Huh? Where daddy gonna go again, oy? Napaka-relax dito, guys. Very relaxing dito, guys. Para natong parang, hold on up. That's mommy. Why you scared? Huh? That's mommy manak. Hey, dadam. Hey, dadam. Nakita you guys, yung dam dito, guys. Yeah, babe, I didn't remember this one. We came here before. Did you? Chichi. We're gonna go walk down, guys. Oh, yeah, yeah. Kala ko snake. Snake. I thought it's a snake right there, babe. The one right there.
What is it?
I thought it's a snake.
Oh.
That one.
Vine. That's what I saw on that pecan tree. Yeah.
What? Yeah, babe. We cannot see LBJ's house in there, babe, right?
As far as I'm gonna go.
Look at these girls. They think we can go, mommy. We can go all the way down, mommy. Wait. Itong dalawa, guys. Sus. Adventurous, guys. Itong dalawa. Adventurous. Look at it, Roxy, babe. I think we can go down today. Can go down in there. Come on. We're gonna go in there, mommy. Jump, Chi. Jump. Hold on. Before we're gonna get in trouble. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Oh, the water is very clear. Look at the water, Nag. Ay. Guys, see? Yeah, B. What? The water is very quiet. The water. We're gonna go, me. We're gonna go. Come on, mommy. Come on. Guys, napaka-adventurous guys. Ha, mami? Adventurous man ang girls, mami, eh? Here's Dada. Whew. Ang ganda doon guys. Yung makita mo yung ano ba? Dam. Maraming water ngayon dahil daming ulan. Right na? Daming ulan na. Ngayon nga. Maulan ngayon. Right na. Pulo. Oh no no. The girls be always pee. Stop and pee. We have some water in the car. Yeah. Looks like it's very deep, babe. What they gonna do with the water, babe?
They're basically conserving the water there.
Uh-huh.
Because it all run through there, but they dammed it up so the water will
Keep in there.
stay back until it runs over the dam. Yeah.
So what's he gonna do with the water? Just stay like that?
If it gets too low, I guess it'll stop running over the dam.
Yeah. Cause the water right now is too high, right? Cause the rain.
So,
That's pretty cool, guys. Roxy, she can jump in there, babe. She's very
jump, huh?
she's very adventurous, babe. Roxy. She's always the first one.
Do I look 60? Hardly any gray, right?
Yeah.
Well, some, but not that much.
Right, babe. Roxy, babe, if you take Roxy with you, she's the navigator.
The Pathfinder.
Right, Nak? You're smart.
Oh,
Chichi, she's a follower. Chichi always behind her, you know?
yeah.
It's very relaxing over there, babe. Just sit in there and then listening to sounds.
Nice cool breeze blowing right through you right
I know.
now.
Yes, sit over here a little bit. You can see the water and also the trees, you know.
Yeah.
Right here. Very relaxing.
I wonder what the temperature is outside.
I think
We have to
70
check when we
degrees.
get back to the car.
Ha, nak. Ha!
For almost June, it's not that.
It's not that bad, right?
Not that bad. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I was thinking about that too. It's not that bad for June.
5 o'clock though, it'll be warm.
Look at, we feel the breeze.
I know.
Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Look at this one, babe. Oh, very relaxing, the trees. This is where I want to live like this, babe. Someday. Like this. The sounds of the water. The chirping birds. Where's mommy's sunglasses, huh? No household trash, babe.
So what's that mean?
Like you cannot bring trash from our house. You know?
Okay.
Don't say like that to your daughter. Me, some people baby drive fast, right? Look at this girl right there, guys. Look at this. Look at this little girl right there. Guys. Just sit with mama, huh? We're just waiting for Didi. Daddy go get some apple cider, huh? Where's Roxy, babe? Where's your sister in there? Where's sister Roxy? Here's the other brat, guys. So, here's the other brat. Oh, Roxy. Hold on, babe. You got some stickers in there. What are you doing now? Huh? Cheer na ko. Guys, ina. Pecan yan, guys. Pecan tree ang laki. That's our chairs right there. That's where we eat our ice cream and coffee, huh? Daddy's over there inside. Huh? Right. Yeah. Okay, so look at the air. Oh, look at the air right there. So big. May I see this one, me? Mommy gonna read it. What is that? What is this? The dog something. The dog walker company. Right there. Are you waiting for your daddy? What's that? What's that? Who's that? Is that daddy? Hi, daddy. Baby, what are you? What are you buying? Did you buy some peach? Huh?
That one's cold.
Oh yeah? Oh, okay. Apple cider,
Got some
guys.
eggs too.
I don't know. They got some eggs. How many? A dozen. How much a dozen ba? $5.50. Tingnan nga apple cider, guys. My God. It's a homemade apple cider. Is daddy na? It's good, baby, no?
Oh man, that's sweet.
Yeah, I like
That
it when you
peach
mix with.
cider is sweet.
I
Mix
like
with
it when
some ice.
ice, right?
A little water and some
water.
ice. It'll be perfect right now. Both my knees hurt today.
Seems like they're busy today, babe. Huh?
All these places are busy.
They're the one who making money. We're the one who broke. Huh? How about that?
Yeah.
These old folks, they need to charge it cheap. Huh? First, okay.
But the peach cider is really good. It's
Seriously lang, guys. It's busy right there, eh?
always people
Yeah.
getting stuff inside. QT, I'm sure, is just as busy as this.
It's the river center. So it's always busy in this intersection right here. I don't know why. Maybe
Yeah,
people,
that
that's where
place
they're
is
gonna
busy
stop,
too.
right?